Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how we are going to change this look and layout of Magento. So you can see that all my orders, grids and everything is like in a new color combination. So let's check out how we are going to do that. Okay, so let's take a look. So in this, just what we have to do, we have my this is vendor, this is module theme. We have to create etc in module.xml. You have to place, let me open it. Here you need to paste the module name sequence, that is Magento backend. After that we have to go view admin html layout. In layout you have to create two files, admin login.xml or default.xml. In admin.xml, if I'm going to open it, so here I am, this is for the logo changes. So this already tutorial I have already sent. You can see that there is I have added the Rajnikant and images logo white. So you can see the in the logo source there is image, this is showing, right? And if I go to the default.xml, so here I am just adding the css, I'm just adding the css one, and here I'm just putting my logo, right, to change the logo of the login one. And okay, after this files you need to go to the templates. No, templates not required. Go to the web css. You can add my I have whatever css I am adding. I just need to write custom.css. After that, images, I have added both the images in this, and that's it. After doing this, in the css you need to write all the custom css that you want to use. So here I have written all the css part. So here I have just writing all the css part with the with the background color and everything. Okay, so you can do this and you will change, you will get this all this color this change of in the layout of the admin accurately. And you can also have a look on the logos change also. So if I go and sign out this one also, you can also see that the logo is also changed over here and the color is also changed. So you can also do that way. And to change the look and the feel of the Magento to admin theme. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Please do like, share and comment if you like my videos.